Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EVgo station uptime using EVgo live status, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify EVgo station uptime using EVgo live status, begin by visiting the official EVgo website. Look for the station locator option on the home page. Click on the station locator to be directed to the interactive map. Once the map loads, enter your desired location in the search bar. This will display a list of nearby EVgo charging stations. Choose the specific station you want to verify. Click on that station to open its details. In the station details, locate the live status section. This section will provide real-time information on the station's availability. Check if the status indicates the station is operational or offline. If the station is operational, note the number of charging ports available. If it's offline, the status should specify the reason for the downtime. To get more information, you can also check the recent updates for any alerts. For additional verification, consider using the EVgo mobile app. Download and install the app from your device's app store. Open the app and sign in or create an account. Use the map feature to find the station you are interested in. Tap on the station to see its live status and updates. You can also contact EVgo customer support for further inquiries if needed. By following these steps, you can effectively verify the uptime of any EVgo station. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.